What's up, guys? Today we're back in Monkiverse. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah. Okay.
Man, what the fudge?
Hey, angry. Oh, why are you angry? Ah!
Yeah, I won.
Tampa.
That's my first win.
Thank you.
Want a drink?
Well, I need 31 more wins.
How many wins do I have? I don't know.
Yeah, vodka.
How do
Well,
I
what
look at for
rank
my
are you?
wins? Wait,
What
it says
rank?
that I have 0 wins, but I just won.
Well, what rank are you?
2007.
Jesus Christ!
Bruh.
Freaking what? Oh yeah, taste it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, taste
No.
it. Oh yeah.
Bro,
Shut up.
speaking.
Now what does he have? Nah! You watching this? Bring you a mad sauce. It's your turn. It's your turn.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You want some more? You want some more? You want some more?
Gosh damn.
Yo, I want to mute you guys so bad right now. Can I mute you guys? Two, one, freaking Ligma.
Hey man. Hey, I want no self-harm. Yeah.
The only thing is,
Yeah, I'm crazy. No one can beat.
You only gain wins when there's 4 people in a lobby.
Bruh.
And it's 3. But we only gain wins when there's 4 or more people in a lobby.
Wait, so what you're saying is just get 4 alt accounts, get my friends to play on them, and just grind wins.
No.
At like 2 a.m. Got it.
Because they can take away your wins for that.
Hey, it's not my fault. We're just having a good time at 2 a.m.
3, 2, 1.
It's just a day. Number 2 in my lobby. Take the picture. Okay, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Bye.